Texas wheat, at least from this area, has been harvested and in storage bins for up to 8 weeks. And farmers have already begun the first of several plowings of fields that will take place before planting a new crop this fall. The weather has been more cooperative this year than last, and crop yields have been good. But while the grain lies in storage bins and elevators, farmers are watching market prices with the same zeal that stocks and bonds brokers watch the Dow Jones averages. Commodity prices are set here at the Chicago Board of Trade, and word this week of an impending deal with the Soviet Union has set off a flurry of spirited trading on the floor of the exchange. Wheat farmers are almost unanimous in hoping that the deal will go through.
It certainly would help the farmers, and the price has already gone up some from just them talking about it, and I think if we could make a deal with them, we'd get it up to where we could realize some money out of the crop.
What is the current price as an average per bushel?
About $3.25 right now.
And how does that compare with, say, last year?
It was $5.50 last year.
Now, your grain currently is in storage, is that correct?
Yes.
How long can you hold out waiting for the right price?
Well, I'd have to sell some pretty soon, and I could hold some for 6 months.
Curry's grain, taken from about 450 acres near Lancaster, is now stored in this elevator and could conceivably wind up on the table of some Russian family. If that means he'll get more money for his wheat, he hopes it will be sold to the Soviets. News of most Texas grain crops late this week has generally been good. Although prices aren't what farmers would like, harvests have been abundant. In addition to bumper crops of wheat, State Agricultural Commissioner John White said yesterday that Texas corn farmers can expect the best crop since 1919. Other yield increases are expected as well for oats, barley, and rye. There is a sour note for consumers, however. 3 major refiners have announced increases in the wholesale price of sugar, blaming the hike on higher prices for raw sugar. The raises were the first since last November and reversed a steady decline in sugar prices. If prices start inching upward again, home sweetening may become a bitter pill for the housewife to swallow. Michael Brown, Channel 8 News in South Dallas County.